Am I the only one that didn't know campfire cooking could be so easy? Let's make it fun and simple with these must-have essentials. First up, a solid cooking grate or grill. Perfect for grilling your favorite meats and veggies. Don't forget cast iron pots and pans. They're durable and versatile for all kinds of recipes. Next, skewers or roasting sticks for those marshmallows and hot dogs. A Dutch oven is a game changer for stews and baked goodies. Utensils like tongs and spatulas, absolute musts. Fire starters are critical. You can't cook without a fire. And for safety, don't skimp on heat-resistant gloves and a first aid kit. Finally, pack it all up in a handy carrying case. Now you're set to cook up a storm in the great outdoors. Happy camping!